Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I am literally so excited about today's video because today's video is a glow up with me in a day. I did my nails, my lashes, my brows, and my hair all in the same day. Basically, I've had to learn how to do everything myself because of the pandemic. I do still stay with my family and they're just not comfortable with like me going out to the nail salon, me going out to the hair salon, even with the mask and everything. So I'm like, but I'm gonna figure out how to do all this myself because there's no way I'm gonna keep going through this looking busted. On my hair, this is a quick weave. I explained it in the video, but I'll also say it right now. I do have a video on how I do my quick weave on my channel and I'll have that linked in the description box. It's literally pack hair, this is beauty supply hair, and this whole process probably didn't cost me over $100, to be perfectly honest. I had so much fun doing this. I was exhausted by the end, but at least I got my stuff done. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. Thank you again so much for watching, for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking. I see all of it. I passed 100 subscribers last week and I never formally said thank you, so I just want to say thank you. It literally means the world to me, and it's only up from here. Like, it's only A1 content from here. All right, I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and I'm gonna let y'all actually watch the video. So thank you again and enjoy the video. So I just threw on an old t-shirt because we're gonna be doing a lot today. We're gonna be doing our lashes, our nails, our hair, so I don't need to get nothing messed up, so I just threw on this old t-shirt. I am fresh out the shower, which is why I look kind of shiny. But now I'm gonna start the very first thing that I always do, and that's always my microdermablation. I think it's microdermablation. I think that's what it's called. It's basically when you shave your face. I'm using this regular aloe vera gel. This is what I always use. It leaves my skin the least messed up, I guess, the least damaged. And then I'm using this brow shaper that I got from the beauty supply store. These I always use just once and I throw them out for stuff like this because anytime I'm dealing with something on my face is like super delicate. I'm not trying to get no type of extra bumps, extra acne. My face already goes through it, so I always use these once and throw them out. I'm trying to decide if I want to like chit chat through this or if I want to just put some music on and let y'all just watch me. I think I'm just gonna focus and do this, and then I'll probably come back to y'all once the face is done. I have my mirror right here, so I'm gonna be looking in my mirror, but let's do this. So now that I just finished that's basically all I do. I do this about once a month because any more than that, I know my hair can grow back thicker and darker, but this just gets all of the dead skin and stuff off of my skin, and it makes my skin feel so good. So I highly recommend, like, if you're not doing this on your face and you're getting, you know, more bumps, more acne, more dry skin than usual, I recommend doing this. So next, I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows. I don't really do too much with them. I just shape them. Y'all can see mine don't have like too much overgrowth. They just have a little bit, so I'm just gonna lightly shape them. Okay, so these are basically how my brows are looking. Like I said, I really don't do too much to them because I'm always afraid of like over trimming them, so I try to leave them like pretty full, but this is just basically all that I do. Now I'm about to go wash my face. I just used some African black soap. Then I'm gonna come back and we're finally about to start this hair. Okay, so now my face is washed and moisturized. I don't know if y'all can tell. I just washed it and I just put some Vaseline on it. Usually I'll put shea butter on it, but like right after when I do the microdermabrasion, I don't like putting shea butter or any like oils or anything on it because my skin's really sensitive right now. But anyway, for those of y'all who don't know, this is what my hair looks like. I washed it yesterday and I just put it in these little twists to keep it from tangling. I'm about to go through and blow dry it. I'm gonna do the whole head because I'm doing a new method for my quick weave this time. I'm gonna slick it down with gel and got2b spray as opposed to just twisting it up because I need it to be flatter at the top. So yeah, but I'll probably come back to y'all once I'm done blow drying.
Every time I hold your hand, I won't let go. Don't be so mad, don't be so mad. Don't be so mad, don't be so mad. Don't be so
Okay, so this is basically how my hair looks once it's all blown out. I try not to like use heat on it a lot because I'm trying to like grow it out and get it back to be how it was. This is just me basically getting it straight enough that I can like run my fingers through it, but I don't need it to be like slick straight as if I was doing like a silk press, like that kind of straight. So I'm about to section off the part for my leave out. I always do middle part, which is why I have breakage in my middle part, but I will never do a side part. And then I'm gonna start slicking my hair down. I'm gonna try to film it, but if I don't really film it, just know I'm literally just slicking it down. I'm gonna probably use the got2b glue free spray, and then this is just some edge booster. I'm gonna try to slick this down. Like I said, if I don't record, I'm sorry, but this is just the first time I'm doing something like this and I just want to make sure I'm getting it right. I'll probably come back to y'all either while I'm doing this or when it's done.
Don't be so mad. 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 Don't be so mad.
Okay, so I just finished basically laying my hair down. One thing I'm a little bit concerned about is like y'all see I have this thick ponytail right here and it's kind of high. I think I'm gonna put a smaller one on here because I don't know how it's gonna lay under my wig cap and everything. I'm gonna sit with a scarf, probably set this down. This is obviously my leave out, but I'm gonna sit with a scarf and set this down, and then I'll just break this up so I can pin it or however I'm gonna do it and finally start installing it. Okay, so basically I look so yeah, I'm laughing at myself right now. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm just like, but I do like how flat I got my hair. This right here, I feel like it's still a little bit too high, to be perfectly honest. But honestly, at this point, I think it'll be okay. I'm just gonna press it down and do what I need to do. But anyway, so now I'm about to start actually doing the quick weave. I have a whole video on how I do my quick weave on my channel, as a matter of fact, so I'm literally just gonna fast forward through this part. And like I said, this is my first time trying this particular technique, so we'll see how it goes. In case y'all are wondering, I'm using 4 bundles today. This is the same hair I use in my quick weave video, so if you want to know what hair it is, I'll put it in the description box of this one, but it's also in the other one. So this takes me like a good 2 hours. So I got my water right here, I got my laptop right here, I'm watching YouTube, and I'm about to settle in. Okay guys, so I just finished my quick weave. It took me about 2 hours, but I actually like this technique. Like, this is most definitely the flattest I've ever gotten my weave to lay. Yeah, right now I'm just about to clean up my desk because my desk is literally a mess, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do our nails and our lashes. I can feel that I'm like running out of energy right now, like running out of steam, so I'm like, come on, get the energy up. But I kind of rushed through it as I was filming, but I definitely have a video on how I do this, and I do the same exact technique. The only difference is the way I lay my hair down underneath my cap. I'm about to clean up, maybe charge my camera a little bit, and then we're doing these nails and these. Okay guys, so I kind of positioned the light a little bit different, so it looks a little different. That's why I'm gonna do my eyes next, because I've noticed, like, whenever I try to do my lashes after I do my nails, it's so hard. These are the lashes I'm using today. These are just from the beauty supply store. I do my lash extensions a little bit differently. I don't use individuals. I have individuals, but it just takes too long. So what I do is I cut these up really small, and I use some lash glue and a tweezer, and I apply them that way. I can make a separate video on how I do my lashes if y'all want me to, but for right now I'm just gonna look right here because this is where my mirror is. Lashes done. These will literally last me for like a good about 2 weeks or so, like just how lash extensions do. But now I'm about to get ready to do my nails, and I'm gonna talk a little bit more once I got the camera angled down there. It's 6:42 right now, and I've probably been sitting here since like 1 or 2, and I'm literally exhausted. Like, I'm so tired, and I still gotta clean my room. I am having fun because I do like getting glam and I do like getting cute. So we on to the last and final step, these nails, and then finally I will be done. So this is everything that I am using for my nails today. Obviously I got a file, nail glue. These are from Amazon. I can put the link in the description box if you want to know where to get them. This is the color I'm going to be doing today, just a real simple glitter, and then this is the top coat, obviously a nail file, and I have some moisturizer and some acetone over here. First things first, I like to just clean off my nails. I like to get rid of any dirt, any debris on them, and just get them ready for application. So that's really what I'm going to spend time doing right now. I know y'all can't really see me, but whatever. Now my nails look like this. I also cut my cuticles too, but at this point I actually go and wash them and moisturize them, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. And now that they're washed, I can moisturize them. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this shea butter and just put it all over. Here my hand's been getting a little bit of eczema, so I always try to moisturize there, but I'm gonna just moisturize the rest of my hand too. So now since I moisturized, my nail beds are kind of oily, so I'm going to take my acetone again and I'm going to remove the oil from my nail bed, and then I'm going to go through and measure out the nails, and I'm going to start gluing them on. I'm right here. But I will just let y'all watch me do this because it's pretty self-explanatory. too long even for me. I like more of a square coffin shape rather than like a really pointed coffin. So I'm gonna take my nail clipper and I'm gonna cut them, and then I'm just gonna file the rest how I like it. This is just what they look like just glued on. So if you guys like it like this, then just leave it. I don't like it like this, so I'll shape them.
Don't be so mad, 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 don't be so
Okay guys, so basically my hair, my nails, and my lashes and my brows are done. So that's basically the end of this video. I don't know what this is. I think this is some glue or something like that, so just ignore it. I'm a mess right now. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching this video. I really appreciate it. I am about to clean up my room and take my butt to bed. Pampering, like self-care for girls, is a lot. So like, especially if you're doing it for like a boy, make sure that he really appreciates you, because I literally just sat here for hours doing this stuff. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.